It's that time of the year again. Today, I decided to make my own Peppermint Mocha to kick off the holiday season. This drink is so easy and so quick to prepare, there's no reason not to make it at home. And honestly, it's better than what you get at Starbucks. Plus, if you're a regular coffee drinker like me, then it's cheaper as well. First, we need to prepare Peppermint Mocha flavored creamer. All you need for the creamer is to blend together a cup and a half of milk, a can of condensed milk, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract, and 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder. This is the kind of cocoa powder you use for baking, not hot chocolate. After blending together for about a minute, pour the creamer into a bottle and you can store it in the fridge for at least a week. Before use, remember to shake it every time. Next, we need to make some coffee. I'm using Peppermint Mocha flavored coffee grounds for an extra kick of flavor. And yes, I know it's Starbucks brand, but by using coffee grounds, I can make 12 drinks at home for the price of one at Starbucks. After you add the creamer to the coffee, you can be done. However, I wanted to spruce up the presentation. So, I added some whipped cream, some crushed candy canes, and finally, some more cocoa powder. It was hard to get a shot of the final product because the whipped cream just wants to melt right away. Thank you for watching. I'm so excited for the holiday season and I'll be back with more projects in the future.